Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the intimate bond between functionality and durability of wooden craft ideas by showing you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden crafts have long been celebrated for their unique ability to forge an intimate bond between functionality and durability in both home decor and practical applications. This relationship is rooted in the inherent properties of wood as a material, as well as the craftsmanship that goes into creating functional wooden items. In an age where mass-produced goods often prioritize aesthetics over quality, wooden crafts stand out as embodiments of sustainability, artistry, and practicality, making them increasingly relevant in contemporary design. The durability of wood is one of its most compelling attributes. Unlike many synthetic materials that can degrade over time, wood, when properly cared for, can last for generations. This inherent strength makes wooden crafts particularly appealing for items that are used daily, such as furniture, kitchenware, and storage solutions. The rich history of wood as a building material speaks to its longevity. Ancient wooden structures still standing today are testaments to its resilience. As modern consumers become more conscious of their environmental footprint, the durability of wooden crafts aligns perfectly with a growing desire for lasting quality over disposable culture. This durability is paired beautifully with functionality, allowing wooden crafts to serve practical purposes while also contributing to the aesthetic appeal of a space. For example, a well-crafted wooden table can be a centerpiece in a dining room, providing a space for family gatherings and everyday meals. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand the wear and tear of daily life, while its natural grains and textures add warmth and character to the room. This duality of purpose, being both a functional surface for dining and an attractive design element, highlights the intimate bond that exists between functionality and durability in wooden crafts. Moreover, the versatility of wood allows it to be shaped and designed in countless ways, further enhancing its functional applications. From intricate carvings to sleek, modern designs, wooden crafts can be tailored to meet specific needs while maintaining their durability. For instance, custom shelving units made from solid wood not only provide essential storage solutions but can also be designed to fit seamlessly into the unique contours of a space. By merging practicality with design, these wooden crafts demonstrate how functionality does not have to sacrifice aesthetic appeal. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden items also plays a crucial role in establishing this bond. Skilled artisans take great care in selecting the right type of wood, considering factors such as grain patterns, color, and durability. This attention to detail ensures that each piece is not only functional but also built to last. Handcrafted wooden items often exhibit unique characteristics that mass-produced counterparts lack, such as slight imperfections or distinctive grain patterns. These features not only enhance the durability of the item but also add a layer of individuality, making each piece a one-of-a-kind creation. In addition to aesthetic considerations, the functionality of wooden crafts is often enhanced through innovative design techniques. For example, joinery methods such as dovetailing or mortise and tenon joints contribute to the strength and stability of wooden furniture. These traditional techniques have stood the test of time, proving their effectiveness in creating durable, functional pieces. The combination of skilled craftsmanship and thoughtful design ensures that wooden crafts can endure the rigors of everyday use while remaining beautiful and functional. The environmental impact of wooden crafts also reinforces their appeal as durable and functional items. As the demand for sustainable products grows, many consumers are turning to responsibly sourced wood for their home decor and furniture needs. Sustainable forestry practices, such as selective logging and reforestation, ensure that wood can be harvested without depleting natural resources. By choosing wooden crafts made from sustainably sourced materials, consumers can feel good about their choices, knowing that they are supporting practices that protect the environment while investing in products that offer lasting quality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In modern interiors, the intimate bond between functionality and durability in wooden crafts is particularly evident in the rise of multifunctional furniture. As living spaces become more compact and the need for efficient use of space increases, wooden crafts that serve multiple purposes are gaining popularity. For instance, a wooden coffee table that doubles as storage can provide a sleek surface for entertaining while also housing books, blankets, or games. This emphasis on multifunctionality not only maximizes space but also showcases the versatility of wood as a material that can adapt to various needs. The emotional connection people have with wooden crafts further enhances their appeal. Many individuals find comfort in the natural warmth of wood and its organic textures. This emotional resonance can be particularly strong in handcrafted items, as they often carry the story of the artisan and the care that went into their creation. A handmade wooden bowl, for example, can evoke memories of family meals or special occasions, adding sentimental value that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. This emotional bond strengthens the connection between functionality and durability, as consumers are more likely to cherish and care for items that hold personal significance. As technology continues to evolve, the incorporation of modern techniques in woodworking has also influenced the functionality and durability of wooden crafts. CNC machines and laser cutting technology enable artisans to create precise designs that were once labor-intensive and time-consuming to achieve by hand. This technological advancement allows for greater creativity in design while maintaining the strength and durability that wood is known for. The ability to craft intricate designs while ensuring structural integrity exemplifies how modern techniques can enhance the intimate bond between functionality and durability. Furthermore, the rise of DIY culture has led many individuals to explore woodworking as a hobby, resulting in a greater appreciation for the craftsmanship involved in creating durable, functional wooden items. By undertaking woodworking projects, individuals can engage with the material in a personal way, often leading to a deeper understanding of the effort that goes into crafting functional pieces. This hands-on experience fosters a sense of pride and connection to the items they create, reinforcing the bond between the craftsman and the end product. Wooden crafts embody a profound relationship between functionality and durability, making them a cornerstone of modern design. The natural beauty of wood, combined with its inherent strength, allows for the creation of items that are not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. The craftsmanship involved in producing wooden items ensures their longevity, while the versatility of wood allows for innovative designs that meet the needs of contemporary living. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability and authenticity, wooden crafts stand out as enduring solutions that enrich our lives and homes. The intimate bond between functionality and durability in wooden crafts is not just a matter of design, it is a reflection of our values, our connection to nature, and our appreciation for the artistry that transforms raw materials into cherished pieces of our everyday lives. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.